Rahim. Dear student, I am Professor Ejaz from Chemistry Department, University of Narowal. Today we are going to start first family of hydrocarbons, alkanes. Alkanes have a general formula CnH2n plus 2. For example, if we have an alkane with carbon numbers 4, so hydrogen will become 10, CnH2n plus 2. All valencies of carbon atoms in alkanes are fully satisfied by single bonds. Each carbon has 4 single bonds with other carbon atoms or with hydrogen atoms. That is why this family of hydrocarbons is also called saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated shows that there is no possibility for the addition of further hydrogen atoms with carbon atoms of the chain. The simplest member of this family is with one carbon atom, that is methane. With one carbon atom, number of hydrogen atoms is 4, CH4. All the 4 valencies of carbon are satisfied by a hydrogen atom. So when carbon makes 4 single bonds, it is sp3 hybridized. The 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals have tetrahedral arrangement. Carbon is located at the center of a regular tetrahedron, and the 4 hybrid orbitals are directed towards 4 corners of a tetrahedron. Each sp3 hybrid orbital of carbon is overlapped with the s orbital of hydrogen. 4 hydrogen atoms are located at corners of tetrahedron with an angle of 109.5 degree. So this is geometry or shape of methane, which is the first member of this class, alkanes. So these are general features of alkane family. Now we discuss the methods of preparation for alkane. The first method for the preparation of alkane is hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbons. This method is also given a specific name, Sebezier-Sanders reaction. This is specific name of first method of preparation of alkane, hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturation means presence of double or triple bond in chain. So when we define hydrogenation, so we define it in a way that it is addition of hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst. Usually the catalyst used for hydrogenation is nickel, which is heated at temperature of 200 to 300 degrees centigrade. The conditions applied for reaction are shown on arrow. For an alkene, the general formula is RCH double bond CH2. These 2 carbons are bonded by a double bond. R stands for alkyl group. It may be a methyl group or ethyl group. We get examples for this general reaction. So when alkene is hydrogenated, each hydrogen atom of a hydrogen molecule goes to hydrogen atom goes to carbon atom separately, and the carbon atoms become bonded by a single bond. They are fully satisfied with the 4 valencies by single bond. So when CC bond becomes single from double bond, it becomes an alkane. So for an example, we replace R by CH3. When R is replaced by CH3, the alkene has name propene. So when propene is hydrogenated, we get propane, an alkane with 3 carbon atoms. So propene, when hydrogenated, produces propane. Instead of nickel, we can also use palladium or platinum. PD is abbreviation of palladium and PT for platinum. But these catalysts are expensive. We can conduct this reaction at room temperature, but these catalysts are very expensive. That is why nickel is more suitable catalyst for this reaction, and this reaction has industrial importance. On industrial level, hydrogenation is used in order to convert vegetable oil to banaspati ghee by hydrogenation in the presence of nickel. Vegetable oil contains unsaturated fatty acid components which get saturated when hydrogen is added to vegetable oil. So vegetable oil is in liquid form, but after hydrogenation it becomes in semi-solid form and gets the name of banaspati ghee. So this is the industrial application of hydrogenation. The second method for the preparation of alkane is from alkyl halide. Alkyl halides have general formula R bond X. R stands for alkyl group and X stands for halo group. The general reaction for this purpose is कि alkyl halide is reacted with zinc metal in the presence of a mineral acid. Mineral acid must contain halogen ion या halide ion similar to the halo group present in alkyl halide. So R of the alkyl halide is changed to RH, which is a general formula of alkane having same number of carbon atoms as present in alkyl halide. Zinc is changed to zinc halide. This is oxidation reduction method. Zinc is oxidized to zinc ion and is changed to zinc halide, and alkyl group is reduced to alkane RH. For example, CH3I is methyl iodide. In the presence of hydrogen iodide, it gets changed to methane CH4. In second example, we have secondary butyl bromide, या इसको हम 2-bromobutane का नाम भी दे सकते हैं by IUPAC system. तो 2-bromobutane is changed to N-butane when it is treated with zinc in the presence of HBr solution. Alkyl halides can also be converted into alkane by a method which is called hydrogenation, hydrogenolysis. Hydrogenolysis is the hydrogenation in which RX bond is cleaved. It is done by using a palladium charcoal as a catalyst. When hydrogen is reacted with alkyl halide, R is changed to alkane and halogen goes to HX. For example, if we have CH3Cl, we get methane CH4 plus HCl. So these are two methods for the preparation of alkane. The remaining methods will be discussed in next lecture. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.